Good morning, dear students. Today in this class we shall be looking for class 12 total English solution for the year 2024 to 25. Chapter number 6, that is unit 6 we shall be looking in this video. The name of this unit is Transformation of Sentences Part 2. So here we shall be looking for the answers or solutions of this unit, and also specimen paper 6 shall be discussed. स्पेसिमेन पेपर 6, ठीक है। तो यूनिट 6 और स्पेसिमेन पेपर 6 को हम लोग आज सॉल्यूशन आपको देने हैं। चलिए, तो पहला जो असाइनमेंट है, इसके जो क्वेश्चन है, प्लीज़ चेक इन योर बुक फॉर द आंसर्स। वी विल गो अहेड। ही सी असाइनमेंट 1, हर मार्क्स आर सो गुड दैट दे कैनॉट बी बिलीव्ड। द ऑरेंजेस आर सो चीप दैट दे कैनॉट बी फ्रेश। She was so poor that she could not pay her fees. I was so late that I could not catch the train. The milk was so hot that I could not drink it. Number 6. This pill is so big that the child cannot swallow it. This task is so difficult that I cannot do it. He is so proud that he will not admit his fault. God is so kind that he will forgive our faults. She is so intelligent that she cannot be fooled by anyone. Assignment 2. He is too short to reach the top shelf. He is too tired to keep awake. It's too hot for us to go out. This dress is too dirty for me to wear. This bench is too heavy for us to move. She's too truthful to tell a lie. His handwriting is too bad for me to read. I'm too weak to run fast. It was too dark for me to see anything. The rice is too hot for me to eat. Assignment 3. Apples are not as sweet as mangoes. Mr. Sen is older than most of other teachers of our school. No other temple in India is as big as this. Chandigarh is one of the most beautiful city in India. Uh, beginning is not as good as begging. Sorry, begging is not as good as starvation. Iron is more useful than any other metal. Your dog is not as well trained as this one. Delhi is not as cool as Shimla. Chandra's brother is not stronger than him. Some girls in her class are not better than her. Now, assignment 4. They shall be helped with the money. They shall be helped with the money. Good news was being expected by them. The school building is being taken care of the supervisor. Will your hotel fees be paid by your father? Let the report card be shown to us. The library fees must have been paid by you. Some money could have been sent to you by him. Many new subjects were introduced by the principal. Let the project be finished before Monday. By whom were you taught physics? Assignment 5. Some has stolen my wallet. One should keep one's promises. That quack killed many people. The principal will announce the holiday. People take the old lady for a saint. Our performance delighted the teacher. They are constructing the road. You should attempt all the questions. The police have caught the culprit. You must complete the job without delay. ठीक है। अभी आर्ग्यूमेंटेटिव कॉम्पोजिशन के लिए जो असाइनमेंट है वो मैं स्क्रीनशॉट आप वो ले सकते हैं। ये देखिए, द बून, अबून के लिए जो पहला असाइनमेंट है, सेल फोन्स हैव बिकम एन डिस्पेंसिबल एसेसरी इन मॉडर्न लाइफ। ठीक है, तो आप ये, मैं धीरे धीरे स्क्रॉल कर रही हूँ। यू कैन टेक द आंसर्स। अभी वहाँ पे अबून था, यहाँ पे अबेन है, तो हियर द आंसर इज नेक्स्ट जो इसका सोल्यूशन है वो फॉर द व्यू के लिए जो आपका आंसर है वो ये है कि बुक आर इंटेंडेड टू ब्लडलेस सब्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ लाइफ। आगे अगेंस्ट द व्यू के लिए बुक आर द सोर्स ऑफ नॉलेज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 के लिए जो फॉर द व्यू है उसका आंसर ये है द फेमस कोट रूल्स आर मॉडल्स डिस्ट्रॉय जीनियस बाय एंड जीनियस एंड आर्ट। अगेंस्ट द व्यू के लिए रूल्स डू नॉट डिस्ट्रॉय अगेंस्ट जीनियस एंड आर्ट। इसका आंसर जो है वो ये है। बच्चों यहाँ से जो आपका स्पेसिफिक पेपर 6 है वो शुरू होता है, और स्पेसिफिक पेपर 6 के लिए जो पहला क्वेश्चन है वो ट्रेन जर्नी फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू आगरा बाय जतिमन एक्सप्रेस, वो ये है। मैं स्क्रॉल कर रही हूँ, अपने आंसर्स को देखते जाइए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का जो फॉर द व्यू है उसका जो आंसर है वो पॉइंट वाइज है। आप ये देखिए न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी इज़ द फास्ट एंड चीप, तो आप ये देखिए 5 4 एंड 5। इसके लिए जो अगेंस्ट द व्यू है उसके लिए आप देखिए पॉइंट्स 1 2 3 4 एंड ये 5 होगा बच्चों, दो दो बार 4 हो गया तो ये 5 है, ये 6 हो जाएगा। ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 के लिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है वो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है। जॉन मिलर द फेमस पोएट सेड पीस हैथ हर विक्टोरियस नो लेस रिनोल्ड दैन वॉर। इसका जो आंसर ये है, मैं इसको एक बार पढ़ दूँ। दैट victories of peace have brought comfort and happiness, health and wealth, freedom and justice, as well as knowledge involve no bloodshed, and have been won over disease, pain, illiteracy, ignorance, poverty, and forces of nature. Victories of peace are won in the laboratory of the scientist, in the closest of the scholar, in the cabinet of the statesman, and the pulpit of the preacher. Victories in war, on the other hand, are achieved after the great loss of life and property. Great conquerors like Alexander, Caesar, and Napoleon won innumerable wars, but they failed to conquer the heart. Victories won by apostles of peace like Mahavira, Buddha, Ashoka, Swami Vivekananda, Mahatma Gandhi, and Nelson Mandela are the source of inspiration even up to this day. Victory of in war is forgotten by posterity, whereas victory secured by peace is permanent and enduring. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है फैशन रिफर्स टू, इसके जो आंसर है वो ये है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है स्लीपिंग इज माई टेरेस एट नाइट, स्लीपिंग ऑन माई टेरेस एट नाइट। ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के लिए बच्चों आपको जो चैप्टर 1 में हिंट दिया गया आप उसके लिए जाएंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, दीज आर द आंसर्स, कैंडिडेट्स आर फॉरबिडन टू ब्रिंग देयर नोट्स इनटू द एग्जामिनेशन हॉल, because unless the car is quite good I will not buy it. It is so cold that I cannot step out without a shawl. No other city in India is as pretty as Mumbai. It is too wonderful an opportunity to be missed. Next question, answer 1. From, with, on, with, through, down, with, among, down, up. Next question, declares, swears, argues with others. To navigate, unmoving, to find, is preserve than losing. Question number 4. First is A. Rosie, line 5. Second, termination, line 7. Third, peace, line 15. Answer B. First is A. Second is C. Third is B. Then दूसरे का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. जो उसका आंसर है वो ये है रोनी स्किनर। आप ये देखिए, इज़ अ लीडिंग हैप्पी लाइफ as he had found the job in his dream and had also served a promotion for his driving skills. He was wearing a blue uniform with a white piping and large black buttons. The new conductor became his friend. Skinner was terminated from the post of driver without any apparent reason. He was to be replaced by someone who had better recommendation than him. Skinner found no problem with his termination except that he would have to find a new job. He thought of making Gin's present felt before leaving the job. See, the passenger filed a case against the company half-heartedly because many of them were anxious to escape ridicule which the case brought on them. Besides, they must have been impressed by Ron Skinner's request to look into their hearts and think of the people who serve them. They seem to have developed a soft corner for Ron Skinner. Question number 3. Ronnie changed the direction of the bus and recklessly drove it into the country. The passengers sensed something wrong. They yelled, banged on the window, and rang the bell. When the bus halted, the passenger jumped out of it. Ronnie held them at a gun point and Ild made them stand in a straight line. Ronnie told them that his purpose was not to rob or kill them. He had brought them away from the grueling city life to nature to soften their heart. He asked them to think of the people who served them. Ronnie and Alice moved away and freed the passenger. तो बच्चों, अभी हमने जो आंसर्स देखे हैं वो क्वेश्चन 4 के आंसर्स थे। ये अभी हमने जो सॉल्व किया वो स्पेसिफिक पेपर 6 था, यूनिट 6 से, क्लास 12 से। तो सारे जो सॉल्यूशंस थे वो आपको इस वीडियो में मिल गए होंगे और मुझे होप है कि ये देखिए यूनिट 6 का स्पेसिफिक पेपर यहाँ से शुरू हो रहा था बच्चों। तो जो भी यूनिट 6 से आपका जो असाइनमेंट था वो अभी हमने कंप्लीट किया, चाहे वो आर्ग्यूमेंटल कंपोजिशन हो या कोई भी असाइनमेंट हो। तो ये रुकिए, मैं फर्स्ट पेज पे आ जाऊँ, ठीक है। तो देखिए ये यूनिट 6 ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंस अभी हमने कंप्लीट किया और स्पेसिमन पेपर 6, ठीक है। तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ आऊँगी, मिलती हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल दैट टाइम बच्चों, थैंक यू सो मच।